aka the dog, getting down for real and going hard. This is my life and I'ma live it how I wanna live it. Motherfuckers wanna fucking come and get it. Come on. Check it out, yo. Give me at least 3 feet or end up stinking, leaking in the street. I wanna be able to teach you, blood. Wanna be able to sit down and eat with you, cuz. I go through what I go through so you don't have to. You should be glad to have the worst snatch. My dreams, my fears, my words that constantly fall on deaf ears. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Cleanse my soul, I'm ready to win. Let's begin. Please, give me the strength to rebuke the devil. Give me the speech so the word is heard on all levels. This is my life. Life of mine. Living the life of crime. That's what's up, baby. Ain't nothing fake about this. It's my motherfucking life.